गङ्गातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापम् गौरी निरन्तरविभूषितवामभागम् नारायणप्रियमनङ्गमदापहारम् वाराणसीपुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथम् भावेन विग्रहवरेण कलत्रवन्तम् भज विश्वनाथम् भज विश्वनाथम्।
That was Shayanarthi for you. That means a lullaby for Shiva. If this is what it takes to put him to sleep, imagine what it takes to wake him up. But his problem is he's too awake. Putting him to sleep is waking up, no problem. Putting him to sleep is a problem. Waking him up is never a problem. Once that happens, you're late.
भज विश्वनाथम्